Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while, but I've been super busy being a pageant girl. I know I sound super fuzzy right now. It's because I've been sick all week, so bear with me. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below suggesting what you would like to see next. Stay tuned as I slay this magenta look. For this look, you will need the L'Oreal 40 Volume Cream Developer. You will also need the L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color magenta, a mixing bowl and mixing brushes. You always want to get a deep conditioner. It's very important when it comes to dyeing hair. I know sometimes it can be a pain, but it just gives your hair that glossy and nice finish. The last thing you'll need is a hairbrush. This just helps to eliminate tangles as you're dyeing your hair. Now let's get started. I'm going to start off with the frontal first. I've already pre-mixed my dye, so I'm just going to get right into it. So when I'm dyeing, I start from the top and work my way to the bottom. So you're going to see me doing this in a repeated fashion. And again, you need to brush your hair before you start this so you can get every piece as you are dyeing. So now that I've got the front part of my frontal, as you can see, it's very red. I'm going to keep adding to the parts that I want to show the most red. I'm going to speed it up here. When I'm finished with the front, I'm flipping it over. This is also a very important thing to do when you're dyeing hair. You flip over your hair and you get the back. And as you can see, my sister's helping me out. And I'm going to continue doing the same method on the back of this frontal. Now onto the bundles. This is the longest bundle. It's a 22 inch. So I'm not doing the top because you're not really going to see it when we put the wig together. But I'm doing the same method. Top, working my way to the bottom. This is the best method I've ever used. It's worked for me every time. So keep working your way down. Get all the tips. You literally want to see no black. Again, you're going to flip it over when you're done, and if you need help, make sure you ask for help because dye can get messy. So my sister's helping me flip it over here, and I'm going to do the same method on the back. So you start from the top and you work your way to the bottom again, making sure that you're not seeing any unwanted black. Now I'm going to show you the outcome after dyeing all 3 bundles. Super red and crazy. But it's important to have a garbage bag laid out because you do not want red dye all over your counter or wherever you're dyeing your hair. After you're done dyeing each bundle, it's important to wrap it in aluminum foil. This just helps keep the messy dye out the way, and it also helps speed up the process of dyeing. So here's how it looks after about 2 hours. We kept it in for about 4 hours. With the high color, sometimes it takes a while, so you want to keep it in from about 2 hours to 4 hours depending on how you want your color to look. And here are the bundles. They're looking very nice and red. Here we have the final look. I love this color, guys. It turned out so beautifully. I would highly recommend the L'Oreal High Color. It's just lovely. This is a lovely fall look. Right now it's been blown out. It hasn't been straightened, so that's why it looks a little bit fuzzy. But yeah, this is the final look.